In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to activate ESPN Plus with Hulu. So let's get started. Now the first step to ensure this is to check your subscription. So check your subscription. So if you've subscribed to Disney Bundle, let's say Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus, your ESPN Plus is automatically activated. Now, Hulu Plus Live TV with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. Similar to the Disney bundle, ESPN Plus is included and activated by default. Then we have ESPN Plus add-on. If you've added ESPN Plus as an add-on to your existing Hulu subscription, you'll need to activate it. So, activate ESPN if necessary. ESPN if necessary, okay? So, first step is to log into Hulu. So go to Hulu website or app and log into your account. Then click on Manage Add-ons. And from here, you'll have to locate the ESPN Plus add-on and click on Activate. And lastly, we have Verify Activation. Okay? So check ESPN app. Open the ESPN app and try to access ESPN Plus content. If you can watch it without any issue, your activation was successful. Hulu account. Return to your Hulu account and verify that ESPN Plus is listed as an active add-on. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.